How to make a document list on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a document list on Word Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Word and now click here on this plus icon, click on it and then go down and you will find this one, make a list. And here as you see you can make an easy list like and as you see then just click here and click save. After you type here anything you want, save it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.